Today I'm gonna visit my friend Jay, and I think we're gonna build a roof rack for ambulance, for a camper. Go. Okay. Luna. Hey. No. Oh my God. What did you do? What did you do? This is the rack we're welding. That's Jay's camper.
Yeah.
Huh.
There's a bar that goes all the way from here to here.
Pretty much about 1x1 aluminum tubing.
Yeah.
And a couple flat bars.
Yeah.
And there's the little guy.
Space out for vent roof there and a vent there.
Oh yeah, vent roof here, vent roof here. And then there's a tiny rack for the cab over.
Unexpected.
Yeah, that's the front roof rack. There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah. Well, mounting hole here.
And there's gonna be a shower. Shower goes here.
Hang on, let's turn the light on.
Yeah, let's turn the light on. So we did the raised roof on this thing, and now you can have a. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, well, if you take this out,
This is the rack. You can see the rack from here. That's pretty cool that you can actually see it here. And the shower goes here. Look how much room is here.
well, Pablo, a friend of mine, was telling me that it would be nice if this window opened, because then you could get at the roof rack from
right?
here. Yeah. Oh,
There's another window.
yeah.
There's another ambulance there.